Sakshi Sajnani and welcome back to another episode of Beautiful You. And today I've got my good friend, certified makeup artist Sanya, who's going to show us the look for Karva Chauth today. Hi Sanya, what are you going to do for us today?
So today, since it's Karva Chauth, it's all about traditional Indian bridal glam, you could say, because since married women are going to get decked up for their husbands. And today we'll focus on eyes and lips both. So it's going to be like dark, bold eyes plus with a dark, bold statement mouth. So today we'll first start off with the eyes, since we'll be using a lot of shimmer and glitter pigments. So it's better to avoid any fallouts on the foundation. We'll complete the eye makeup first and then move on to the skin. So first we'll start with the eyebrows and then we'll set the eyes. We'll comb out the eyebrows and then fill in the sparse areas with a flat angular brush that can be used for eyeliner as well as to fill in brows. We'll start from the center to the outer corner and we'll start filling Sonakshi's sparse areas. She's got thick and bold eyebrows, so we do not need much work to do. Next, moving on to the eyelids, we will prime our eyes with a concealer and set it with a loose powder. So I'm applying the concealer with a flat concealer brush or a foundation brush, and I'll be spreading the product using a fluffy foundation brush. You can use your fingers or any other brush that you like. To create the look, we'll first start off with a transition shade on the crease so that we know where to place the dark color and the shimmer. I will be taking a small fluffy brush and packing the product in, and will directly set it on the crease. This will also help in blending of the darker shadows. Once we have the transition shadow in the place, now we'll move on with a darker shadow and place the product on the outer and the inner corner of the eye. Using the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to concentrate the product on the eyes. Taking a bigger fluffy brush, we're just going to merge all the edges so that we do not have any harsh lines. Repeat the same on the inner corner and take it towards the crease. We're not going to be using any shadow on the center of the lid because we'll be popping the center with a pigmented shadow. Repeat the same process on the other eye as well. Now moving on to the center of the lid, we're just going to pop the eyes with a hint of shimmer in the center. And we'll be using rose gold shimmer today. Take a flat eyeshadow brush, spritz some setting spray on it, pack the product on both the sides of the brush, place it in the center of the lid. I'll be taking some product on my finger and we'll go over the product again. You can either use a gold pigment or a silver pigment depending on the outfit. Here I've tried to keep the entire eye look a monotone look, and that's why I'm going with a rose gold pigment. Blend the outer and inner corner with your shadow so that there are no harsh lines and the color beautifully melts in with the pigment. Using a small flat brush, I'm just gonna define her brow bone by using some highlighter. Moving on, now we'll create a beautiful wing to complete the look. You can either do a classic simple eyeliner, but just to give that extra dose of glam to the look, we'll be creating a wing. And now we'll just create a wing. Draw the wing on your other eye and complete with the eye look. So we'll curl her lashes and then we'll add mascara and put some falsies on. Now we'll start prepping her skin with some moisturizer and some primer. Using your foundation brush or any flat brush, just spread in the product. Now that we've prepped her skin, we'll move on with the foundation. We'll color correct the dark circles and conceal it. Now moving on, we'll complete the pigmented areas. So we are going to color correct near the mouth area and any pigmentation on the face. Dab on some foundation and conceal the corrected area. Moving back onto the eyes, we'll complete the lower lash line by smoking out the lower lash line with the same dark eyeshadow and with a coat of mascara. Set your entire face with a loose powder and go over with the setting spray. Now, to add some dimension to her face, we'll just slightly contour with a powder contour and highlight her high points of the face. We'll slightly contour the nose and the jawline as well. Now using the powder highlighter, we'll be highlighting the high points of her face. That's the cheekbones, the forehead, the temples, the chin and the nose. Do not forget the cupid's bow as well. Once again, set your makeup with a setting spray to lock all the products in. Now to complete the entire look, we'll finish off with the lips. We'll start off with the lip liner and go over with a nice red bright lip color. Take your favorite red lip color that matches with your outfit. Instead of using a dark, bold red, we are sticking to a rust red for a subtle but yet glamorous look.
So there you go, guys. This is my Karva Chauth look. Thanks, Tanya. You've given me the complete Karva Chauth feels. I think now the only thing left is to find me a groom.
For sure.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please show us some love, like, subscribe, share and comment, and keep watching Beautiful You for more.